Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Ukuze uploader, you'll be the first one to know. As we all know that this coming Sunday, former President Jacob Zuma will be at KwaXimba Stadium. I think KwaXimba Stadium is between Catteridge and Camperdown. He'll be there for a keynote address. I will be broadcasting live, so if you can't make it, make sure you tune into my YouTube channel, Nontobeko Ngubane, and you will find live feed of KwaXimba Stadium. Guys, niyabona ukuthi email and Guardian ithini ANC is declining in KZN, so that means MK party iyakhula, is stronger, and it's going to take over KZN.
Futhi isho ngangasivotela umuntu eSouth Africa unelungelo lokuvotela nombani. Hayi amavoteni nje amavoteni ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe desperate angikho desperate amavoteni ambani amavoteni ngiyakholwa ngiyayithula wena ukhulume mama ulalele le nkinga yethu amanzi ayabuya kalungiswe baba amanzi ayabuya hayi ngiyabona leadership wini wena.
Guys, niyabona kodwa ikhansela lele ngiqeda ukulifaka manje laseLovo, the disrespect angazi noma it's because of pressure from the MK party. Ayisekho irespect between the community nekhansela. Ikhansela likwazi ukukhuluma kanjena necommunity.
Abantu umkhonto uvaliwe manje.
Ningakhohlwa, this Sunday, KwaXimba Stadium, MK party keynote address. Bye bye.